Hey guys, welcome to video 202. And for this week, I'm gonna show you how to make an Oreo milkshake. First, gather all the ingredients. 4 to 6 Oreo cookies, a quarter cup of milk, and 1.5 to 2 cups of Oreo ice cream. You will also need a large cup and a plastic baggie, and then obviously, a blender. Next, crush the cookies to your desired size. Set the ice cream on the table for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, scoop the ice cream and put it in the blender. Next, pour the milk and place the chunked Oreos into the blender. Finally, you're gonna blend this until smooth.